really rewarding. As you had mentioned, it seems like yesterday we were looking at designs and drawings and discussions about how it should look and where it should go. And I really have that feeling with the new baggage handling system in check-in hall. Having gone through that whole design process with the team, and now thousands of people every day use it. Thousands of bags go through the baggage handling system, and yeah, very rewarding. And then this section here, this new phase, within a year from now, we'll be doing the same thing. Airplanes will be coming in and out, passengers will be going through it, and really looking forward to that as well. Yeah, absolutely. I think all the things we had forecast back in 2018 have happened. All the hotels we knew that were in the pipeline, most have been built. Expansions in traffic in Latin America have happened. You know, ATA and that team, very sophisticated, very good at what they do. They're a little too successful for us because we're having to deal with the passenger volumes, but they do a great job, and you know, we have an obligation to keep up. And so it's also part of why we're accelerating this project. We do feel an obligation and responsibility as an airport management team to ensure that the airport's keeping pace with the island's growth ambitions. And so we have a little catching up to do, but I'm very confident we'll get it done. I would guess once we get into, this is completed and we're into phase 2, I could envision us or the airport needing to start already designing an expansion of the arrivals process. So the baggage reclaim area, the immigration hall, all those things need to be redone as well. And the timing of that's quite good because once we finish the new check-in hall, what is now the non-US check-in hall becomes obsolete. So that entire space there is reserved for an expansion of the arrivals hall. And then there's just always other projects, hangars and fuel systems. And so airports are very capital intensive. We'll never be done with construction.
Por que demanda para Aruba sige cresce, nós temos hotel na nobo que está abrindo e com a abricava e como tal nós temos que segurar que nos por ajuda para assim e pasahero na cota viajador e nos aeropuerto tem espacio também para nos podíamos bom menina mais pasahero e assim também melhorar a passenger experience de cada pasahero que está passando nos terminal. Construccion assim grande tem seu reto não, pero nós temos equipo bastante grande fazendo isso aqui. Para agora que não construcción aqui está andando arriba greenfield, esta extensión de aeropuerto, assim não está impactando operação normal, permite que en la siguiente fase si cuesta aqui lo durante terminal, lo impacta a experiência de pasahero e está mais visível também, e para isso também nós vamos enfocar seguro para a comunicação para os passageiros tá clear para não precisar como navegar durante a viagem. Nossa, é importante para ter a comunidade Aruba informada e tudo desenvolvendo nos aeroportos, e essa é a importância também de água para invitar todos prensa para vir ticket de desenvolvimento andando, maneira boa que está proyecto hopi grande, de seguro nós agradecemos também a tour contratista, todos os partners que está aqui possível, e também seguro na tour viajero durante a viagem para o paciente durante a nossa temporada de construção aqui.